Today's video is all about snatching your edges, looking cute and beautiful for your African parties. And now go get your African gele, stay at the edge of your seat. Let's learn and stay fabulous. Can you see the way this looks put together? Subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be tying the traditional African headgear called gele, and I'll be using this as an example. So this is what it looks like. It keeps going all the way down. So I'm just going to take it and divide it into two equal parts from the edge to the other edge. And the next thing I'm going to do is just to take an inch in, then I'm going to smooth it down all the way from one edge to the other edge. Mind you, this is the gele in 80 inches. We have like 70, 80, 90 inches, but this is 80 inch. It's not as long as 90 inch, which is the bridal inch. So right now I'm just smoothing the edges down, and the reason why I'm doing this is because the one edge of the gele is usually sharp, but when you smoothen it, it lays down and makes it, you know, just cute and much more presentable. So you know, you can tie this head tie to your weddings, your events, to church, to any place you want to, you know, feel African and just fabulous, because this is a very fabulous African attire. So first things first, my model has got a wig cap on. You really want your hair to be laid flat as much as possible. If you have a wig on or your hair on, you have to tie it back with your rubber band, as you can see on my wrist. So the first thing first is I'm taking the angle of the headgear and I'm putting it at like 25%. I'm taking the right side of the model underneath, and I'm taking the left side of the model over the right side. So what you see me pulling right now is the right side, and the model is helping me to hold the left side. So now I'm just going to straighten out the 1 inch I took and lay it over the edge of the model's hair. As you can see, I will just keep smoothing my hands. You will see me go over smoothing the edge all the time. This gele is called the Pleats gele, and for the Pleats gele, you want your pleats to be as flat and sharp as possible. Right now, I'm just going to keep smoothing and flattening it. I'll be pulling out, you know, the excess material at the back that was due to me, you know, trying to maneuver the style. So now to get the pleats, I'm going to be using my fingers to cuff it in and smoothing it out. So now I have two pleats. The initial base, which is the foundation, is going to be on the model's head directly. With every pleat I make, the first pleat is going to be before the foundation, then every pleat comes after and at the back of, you know, every initial pleat. Right now I'm going to make 5 pleats on the model's head, but I'll keep doing the same thing that I just explained. I'll keep going in, pulling it out, making it flat, making it smooth, just to create one pleat. Because the trick with this kind of gele is, if you don't flatten out your pleats, when you're done, it's just going to come loose. So I'll keep doing this till I get the desired look I want. Tribe, if you're watching till here and you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly go click the subscribe button right now. You want to turn on your notification bell so you're the first person that knows when I have a new video. And if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to my channel. I do beauty, DIY, makeup videos, fashion and lifestyles. And just so you guys know, we have all influx of new subscribers. Thank you, my new subscribers, for subscribing. I know you're going to love the content that I produce on this channel all the time. You're welcome, and let's just take on this fabulosity together. Right now, I'm back on the 5th pleat, and I'm just smoothing it out. I'm going to lay it down slowly, and I'm just going to hold the tip of the 5th pleat down so that it can come up, you know, smooth and flat. Now I'm just flattening the 5th pleat and making sure it's close together. I'm just going to take the edge of the pleat, hold it down close to the model's hair, and I'm going to take the other part, which is now the longest part and is supposedly 75%. I'm just going to drag it all the way using the foundation of this pleat to hold the initial pleats that I have done. Right now, I'm just taking it from the angle. I'm grabbing the whole fabric in my hand, then I'm going in with the pleating. I'm going to get as much pleat as I can. You can go all the way to the edge to get the pleat, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm doing this easy peasy tutorial so you can just get in there, get out, and stay fabulous. So right now I'm just creating the pleat. I'm holding it in the center of the edge so that I can create a smooth pleat from the edge all the way, smooth it down from the edge, which is my left hand side, create another pleat, take it all the way down, and I'll just keep smoothing it. When I'm done doing this from one side to the other side, I will take it all the way down to our hairs, just so that I know that the pleats are stable and where they want to be. The reason why we're doing this is because in creating pleats, you have to be very meticulous, you have to be patient, and you have to like dive in and go in straight. Pulling it down makes it more efficient because your pleats are obeying your command. When I'm done forming all the pleats, I'm gathering all the formed pleats onto the left side, and I'm just doing the finishing touches, making sure that I'm getting everything that needs to go all the way to the back. I'm doing this because I'm going to be tying the gele at the back ahead of time. I'm sorry I didn't show you. I thought my camera was positioned to show the end, but I didn't. If you want to know how I tie the back of the gele, kindly drop your comments in the comment section so that I'm going to make a video specially showing you how to tie the gele at the back. But most importantly, what I did was take the pleats all the way. I kept on pleating the gele all the way to the back, and I tied it a little bit off the back, so it's like 3/4 away from the back of your neck. Usually you tie it at the back of your neck, but with studies and science, it has proven that it makes you uncomfortable, so it's better to tie it to the side. Right now I'm just using my second arm to scrunch the first half of the gele, and I'm using because the first half was 25%. I'm going to be using the tiny little hand that I was able to get from it to secure the edge of this gele and make it firm. So right now I'm just tying it, doing some tucking in, tucking it in here and there so it's perfect and laid. Next up, I'm just going to start pulling and tugging at the edge of this gele, which is the left hand side. My left hand side, to be sure, but it could actually also go both ways because some are right-handed, some are left-handed. So right now I'm just tugging at the edge so that it's two equal edges. You necessarily might not get two equal edges, but you try and make them same, the same. So right now I'm just arranging the pleats, I'm putting them in place, and that's what you're going to see me do continuously till I get the desired form and shape that I want. Geles are beautiful African endowments, and you want to have one in your closet. It's a staple. Really want you to try out this gele and make sure you tag me on my Instagram for a repost. Drop your comments in my comment section. I want to hear from you. I just want to see how you guys were able to make this recreation. It's a beautiful style, and it's a must. If you're an African lady, you really want to know this, but it's not limited to African culture. It's just a beautiful head adornment. So now we're going to the finishing. I've just keep tugging, adjusting and just making some finishing touches. You know, Here is like the most important part of the gele. You just want to make it as perfect as you can. It's quite technical. No two geles are the same. I also pushed the gele back. I don't know if you noticed me push it a little bit back so the edges of her hair can show. So here we're done with the gele. If you know that you watched to the end of this video, you're the real MVP. Kindly drop me some hearts and flowers in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. It was super fun creating this. I hope you guys love this and videos like this. We come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your notification bell on, drop your comments in the comment section, and bye guys, till next time.